how to quickly log into your Facebook Lite. If you guys don't know what that is, so Facebook Lite basically is an official platform from Facebook Meta. It is a light version of Facebook app for devices with limited internet access or that has low capacity. So this runs on a low capacity device. To log in, basically you first need the app, so just go to your Play Store and search for Facebook Lite and download it from here. And now just tap on login. Once you log in, you can find your account right here, and you can save your login info. I've already entered my password before, so I don't need to re-enter the password, so I'm just gonna save my login info. By doing so, you can easily log into your Facebook Lite. And as you can see, this works just like the normal Facebook app, and it is better suited for devices that has low storage or limited internet access. And that's how you can easily log into your Facebook Lite account. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.